Good morning and greetings. Today, we, the EcoForce group from SAINS School, will talk about a very important issue of air pollution.
First, I'd like to introduce our team members. We are EcoForce. I am the leader of our group, Muhammad Danish Fahim bin Muhammad Irwan Shah. And with me today are my team members, Jamaluddin Jasri bin Jamil, Muhammad Akil Wafi bin Muhammad Afwaja, Muhammad Danish bin Muhammad Rizal, and Saufi bin Sharizan. Together, we are going to share what we've learned about this topic.
Before we get started, here's a quick look at our agenda. Our presentation will cover the causes and effects of air pollution. We'll be looking at four main areas: how air pollution affects our health, our buildings and infrastructure, plants and animals, and finally the global climate.
I will begin with the effects of air pollution on our health. Air pollution harms us in many ways. Smoke and dust particles in the air can cause breathing problems. Sulfur dioxide is a gas from factories, can damage our lungs. Carbon monoxide is even more dangerous, as it can cause headaches, brain damage, and in high concentration, even death. Asbestos is another dangerous substance that can lead to lung cancer. And finally, tiny lead particles from all car exhaust can cause intellectual disabilities in children and babies. It's clear that air pollution is a serious threat to our well-being.
I will explain how air pollution affects the things we build. You might have noticed that buildings in polluted areas look dirty. That's because dust and soot from the air can stain them. Even worse, acid rain, which is caused by air pollution, can corrode concrete and limestone buildings over time. Acid rain also speeds up the rusting of iron, which can damage bridge and other important infrastructure.
I will now talk about how air pollution harms plants and animals. Acid rain makes the soil and water acidic, which makes it hard for plants to grow and for fish and other aquatic life to survive. Additionally, smoke and haze can block sunlight from reaching the Earth's surface. This decreases the amount of photosynthesis that plants can do, which is how they make their food.
Finally, I discuss how air pollution affects the global climate. Smoke from factories, vehicles, and open burning causes haze. Excessive carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere increases the greenhouse effect, trapping heat and warming the planet. Other gases like chlorofluorocarbons can thin the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. And as my teammates mentioned, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide lead to acid rain, all contributing to serious environmental damage and global warming. In conclusion, air pollution is a serious problem caused mostly by human activity. Its effects are far-reaching, harming our health, damaging the environment, and making climate change worse. But there is hope. To reduce these impacts, we must take action by using cleaner energy, protecting our forests, and practicing more eco-friendly habits in our daily life. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope we've helped you understand the seriousness of air pollution and the importance of working together for cleaner air. Thank you.